Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everybody. Okay, today I would like to explain about talking for hobby or favorite things. We should learn about the talking for hobby or favorite things because sometimes there is someone who asks to ask your hobby or favorite things. And we have to know how to give the answer in it. So, this is some example when we want to asking about hobby or favorite things. For the first is like we can use, what is your hobby? For example, is like, what is your hobby, Clara? Or we can use, what do you like doing? For example, what do you like doing in your holiday? Okay, next we can use, do you have any hobby? For example, Andy, do you have any hobby? Then we can use, what do you have to do in your free time? For example, what do you have to do in your free time, Ayu? Next is, we can use, where do you usually do your hobby? Example, where do you usually do your hobby, Sela? And for the last one is, we can use, why do you like your hobby? And for the example is like, Ari, can you tell me why do you like your hobby? Okay, that's some ways how to asking about the hobby or favorite things to others. And after being asked the question, of course, we have to answer it, right? Yes, therefore, we can telling or answering the question about hobby or favorite things with, at the first, we can use, my hobby is, for example, my hobby is reading. And then, we can use, in my free time, I like, for example, in my free time, I like reading novel. And next, we can use I enjoy. For the example is like, I enjoy for my hobby because it is make me happy. Okay, now I want to tell you some vocabulary that we can use to give the answering the question about hobby or favorite things. They are follow. First is reading, 2. Swimming, 3. Playing football, 4. Playing basketball, 5. Dancing, 6. Writing, 7. Singing, 8. Photography, 9. Cooking, and 10 is fishing. 11. Playing music, 12. Painting, 13. Gardening, 14. Cycling, and 15. Traveling, 16. Skiing, 17. Listening to music, and 18. Playing guitar, 19. Playing badminton, and 20. Playing piano, and 21 is shopping, and 22 is etc. Okay, next, let's try to the conversation talking about hobby or favorite things. In this conversation, Ayu want to know what is Juni hobby and want to know what the reason Juni like this hobby. Okay? The conversation is like, what is your hobby? My hobby is writing. Wow, that is an interesting hobby. How often do you do your free time activity? I usually writing on my blog at weekend or sometimes I write when I have a holiday. So, where do you usually do your hobby? Is there any special place for you to do your hobby? Yes, I sometimes go to the park and start writing. The fresh air out there helps me to get more inspiration to writing. Yes, I agree. It can also fresh air mind. So, why do you like your hobby? I am an imaginative person, and by writing, I can express myself. I really enjoy that activity. Well, that's interesting. Maybe sometimes I read your writing in your blog. Sure, feel free.